Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions. Today I'm here to talk about the commercial aeroplanes has become the life-changing decision for the hotels. Yes, you heard me right. That a commercial aeroplanes can be a right decision for the life-changing in hotels. If we talk about the traveling, everyone wants to love traveling. But while doing the traveling, we need to stay at some places like hotels, tents, anywhere where we can spend a night and we can rest so that we can roam around in the daytime. While spending our time in hotels, we make sure that we have a pure, safe, hygiene, clean, and pure water for a betterment solution. These are the topmost priority. But if think that if there's no water, that means if there's no pure water, will you stay at a hotel? Do you really think? I guess no. Because personally, I won't stay in a hotel where I don't get access to a pure water. It will not only affect my skin, my eyes, my hair, but it also affects my health. Polluted water burns my hair, it get make them rough, and it snatches the shines of my hair, and even it creates a roughness on my skin. I'm staying at the hotel for the tension free and vacation and everything, but if I'm getting polluted water, then I'm getting more tension and I regarding my looks, my appearance and my hair, which I don't want. That is why every hotels understand this point of all the customers and all the people who loves travels. Therefore, they decided to opt for the commercial aeroplanes. The reason behind this, the commercial aeroplanes is a plan which treats the polluted water and gives you the pure water by removing all the contaminants from the water. Commercial aeroplanes has been used in all the commercial sectors, whether it be hotels, malls, any restaurants, everywhere. It is used because it has many benefits like they give you the pure water, which is great to consume. It does not create any illness. The people who will consume that, it maintains the quality of your skin and the shine of your hairs. And not only this, if the pure water is used for the cleanliness, then the premises of hotels and all the glasses will also shine. There will be no footprints left behind, which will give a great impact to the customers. As while doing the travelers, nowadays travelers are very fond of pics, due to which they need a clean environment and a clean surroundings in which they can click. And even if the people are not addicted to photographs, they want where they are staying, they should feel like a home where everything should be settled and clean, which needs to be provided only by if there is a pure water. Since we are aware that India is facing a shortage of pure water because of pollutants present everywhere, therefore it is very difficult to get access to pure water for your premises. Netsol Water Solutions is here to help you out, so don't you worry. We provide you the commercial aeroplanes which can help your hotels and commercial sectors to treat the polluted water and give you the best water. We have different capacities of commercial aeroplanes according to your usage with different uses. And as per your requirements, we can customize the commercial aeroplanes. If you have any further information, feel free to contact us anytime. Our services are open 24/7. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.